Hello, and we're having something interesting going on. I tried hooking up my optical system, but unfortunately, the Pi camera died. So, these things are kind of small and exposed, so it's kind of no wonder that it pooped down on me. I've had this one for about half a year, banging it around, so it's really no wonder. I got another one for about $8. It should be arriving next week, so. But in the meantime, I have put my drone inside Marduk's mouth so I can, use my phone to look at stuff. And I'm hoping that I can install the app on my tablet. Let's see here. Yeah. But I gotta charge the battery because I left it on and it completely died. And it refuses to stay on with AC power. And also, for some reason, my webcam, this little eyeball looking feller here, doesn't want to run with my Raspberry Pi. I don't know why, so hopefully I can use something better than my cell phone, my tablet, instead to run the optical system for the test that will be coming up pretty soon. The full systems test, more or less. So, goofiness with the Raspberry Pi aside, things are turning out pretty well. The basic concept of Marduk still works, it's just the fiddly little details. So, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.